Connections, an integral part of civilization, of communities, and of just about every human in the world. Connections fuel us and inspire us to move forward. They energize us and light the pathways that lead us to the innovations and collaborations that transform our world. At ACC, connections lead the way and light the path for us to make the greatest impact.
Advising and guiding our students means much more than telling them what to enroll in. Here at ACC, Connections help us apply a coaching model to light and guide the way so that our students can connect with their pathways. From Hayes to San Gabriel and all campuses in between, our connections to our students span across the entire ACC district, allowing us to provide them with the support they need to succeed.
As coined by ACC founding board member Wilhelmina Delco,
community is our domain.
Here at ACC, we form and maintain inclusive connections and collaborations across our district with our friends and potential partners. We become one with our richly diverse community and create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages everyone to join us in our initiatives, programs, and services.
100% placement for students in internship courses. That's how we are connecting our students with employers in the greater community. Here at ACC, connections between faculty and our business partners play an important role in how we help our students transition from their guided pathways to the workplace.
And counting. That is the number of connections our alumni network supports. From our part-time and full-time ACC employees to elected officials, public servants, entrepreneurs, filmmakers, and even a NASA astronaut. Here at ACC, connections make all the difference, allowing us to innovate and collaborate with our alumni, community, and partners, and helping us light the way so that our Riverbats can go far.
At ACC, connections are at the core of everything we do and everyone we impact. Join us and help us light the path